In this video, you will learn one of the best financial market scalping strategies. This RSI scalping strategy is very strong and has a win rate of 168%. RSI is a scalping strategy for financial markets such as Forex and Crypto and is very profitable. I suggest you watch this video. Subscribe to see more videos. First, add the RSI indicator. RSI is one of the most powerful indicators of financial markets. So we also use this indicator. We do not change the settings of the RSI indicator. That is the same setting as 14 for RSI. To see better, we widen the RSI indicator color and also turn off the yellow color because we do not need this option in this strategy. The best time frame for the RSI scalping strategy is 30 minutes and 5 minutes, which is great for day trading. One of the best times is 5 minutes for the scalping strategy. This is a multi-time strategy. This is a great strategy, be sure to see and benefit. To manage money, you have to risk between 1 and 3% of your capital. This means that if the price hits your stop loss, you will lose between 1 and 3%. That way you can be safe from big losses and make great profits. Step 1. First, let's see a hidden divergence in the 30-minute time frame. Note that in the price of the peak is lower than the previous peak, but in the indicator of the peak is higher than the previous peak. Step 2. We draw a trend line in RSI. This trend line should have at least 2 collisions with RSI. Step 3. Create a divergence or a hidden divergence. This should be done in 5 minutes to increase the workforce. Now when the trend line is broken, it is our sell signal. Stop loss is a price peak and take profit is 3 times the stop loss. That risk to reward is great. Now to buy. Step 1. First, let's see a hidden divergence in the 30-minute time frame. Note that in the valley price is higher than the peak of the valley, but in the valley indicator is lower than the previous valley. Step 2. We draw a trend line in RSI. This trend line should have at least 2 collisions with RSI. Step 3. Create a divergence or a hidden divergence. This should be done in 5 minutes to increase the workforce. Now to buy. Step 1. First, let's see a hidden divergence in the 30-minute time frame. Note that in the valley price is higher than the peak of the valley, but in the valley indicator is lower than the previous valley. In order to make more profit, you have to make the take profit bigger than the stop loss. This way you will make more profit and trade safely. If you implement the scalping strategy correctly and principledly, you have a very high win rate and you can easily make excellent and easy profits from Forex and Crypto and any financial market. Last tip, in order to increase your win rate, you need to open your trading in sensitive areas such as support, resistance and divergence, and earn excellent and easy profits by careful capital management. The result of 100 consecutive trades in the discussed symbol, and in 5 minutes time frame is equal to 46 wins and 54 losses. If we take the trading risk at 2% and according to the strategy that take profit is bigger than stop loss, the gain on account is equal to 168% profit, which is a great statistic. I suggest you do not miss in any way. In this file, you can see other strategies of Data Trade Pro channel. This video ranks first. Because gain on account this strategy has reached 168%, which is a great statistic. You first see all the strategies and choose the strategy that you like and trade more easily. This strategy is a strong strategy. Subscribe to see more videos.